Hi everyone, this is our last video here as far as introducing you to Edmodo, and it's just basically a hodgepodge of a lot of good resources that you can use on this site. One of the things here, last thing at the top, we've already talked about. I looked at assignments, quizzes, notes. You can make alerts if you want to alert your class about, hey, cancel last night's homework assignment or change it to this, this, and this, whatever the case might be, or anything important that's necessary and then on a a quick base. If you click on one of your groups, you can create a poll. I've already created a poll. What is slope-intercept form? See if they know it. It's very simple. All you have to do is at the very top with your post is to pose a question. Whatever the question might be, you type in your answers, you add a couple of different answers, and then you would eventually send it out. And you could add it to all your groups or whatever the case might be. It's totally entirely up to you. That's the poll section. And I know as you go through this, if students would answer this, you could see a results graphically here as well, which would be a pretty cool feature. Another thing, now that's pretty much it that I would like to show you as far as the home page. But now what you need to find is the account section here. Click on it, and then we've been here before. Click on the help part. What this is basically a huge base for you to come to where you can get a lot of different topics, questions if I didn't answer any of them, or you might have forgotten, just a quick access tool. One of the things I would like to show you is something called mini lessons over here. It's basically just some teachers who have already uploaded things that have worked for them in their classroom, and it's totally and entirely up to you which ones you want to look at and go through them just to brainstorm and get good ideas. Another thing that is good is this Edmodo in Action over here. And what Edmodo in Action gives you is basically a bunch of videos, and more importantly, I would like you to click on the subject area. It's got all the main subject areas: language arts, social studies, science, math, just those four, sorry about that, that are very important. It shows you how to incorporate that specific subject into Edmodo. Another cool feature, if you click back here, if you scroll down here, bottom right, is the communities and connections. Join communities. And you could read through this, follow community, post a community, but click on this little link here, and it's going to take you to all the different types of communities that you could join. For me, I would click on the math, which is going to take me to, hopefully here, basically a whole page dedicated to math in different ways and how you can incorporate and just get tips and ideas from different teachers. And how you join each group is basically follow this group, follow this subject. So click back a couple here, and you got any other ones here you could follow. Scroll down, you've got Worldwide Center for Math, you've got project-based learning. So there's a plethora and a ton of different resources and groups that you can join. Even Khan Academy down here is good as well. And the very last thing I'd like to show you is, again, it's 21st century. Technology is huge. That's why I've introduced in this Edmodo sort of Facebook type of thing. But the last thing I want to show you is down here, bottom right, mobile apps. Okay. There are apps for the Android, the iPhone, the iPod, and the iPad. You can click on those, just play with them. You as a teacher can look at them as well. You can download the app, and as you can see, you can make posts, you can make notifications, look at your groups, your profile, your grade book, and your library. What I would like you to do first and foremost after you've watched this video is to go back and create a poll. Very simple, four answers to a question like I have here, and then also join a community. It's totally up to you which one. You can join one, you can join as many as you want just to get a number of different good and great ideas.